I heard something fell and I'm going to check that out. I get a feeling that it's the jackfruit. And here we are. Oh my god, it's jackfruit. Come. Okay, here we are. So here it is from this tree. Up there are jackfruits that are almost ripe. You can see that big one. There's also a lot of jackfruit on that tree. And those big bags are jackfruit. And look at that. Look what we got. And also on this side is almost ripe. Let's see if we can smell that one. Look at that. It's big. And on this tree, I think one is already ripe because I can see that it's about to explode. All right, we'll have a look later. I'll ask somebody to do it because it's gonna be very heavy. I got this one, which is just fell on its own because it wasn't wrapped, and we'll have a look if this is still good or not. I'm not sure about that, but let's see. Lugay na na. So we will wrap some more because we got plenty of small fruits. And right over there. Sabi? Oh, daghan na. We still have to wrap all those babies. And there's a lot of babies right there. Manong Alan will wrap. See? Manong Alan will wrap the nangka, the jackfruit over there. There's a lot of babies over there. Look. Those are big jackfruits already, but they're not ripe yet. There are big up there, but we couldn't climb it, so we'll just wait for it to fall, or maybe that's a share for the bats. See, look at this baby we are about to wrap. This one is so small, just about the size of my palm. And we're going to wrap this one. There are good ones. They say if there's a lot of baby jackfruits in the tree, you just have to be selective on which one you want to grow. Okay, into a full size jackfruit. About 30 kilos?
Kani mas hinog nito mo siya. Ugma ana aldi pa ida na ugma. Kuan sa ni. Ito kuan dan mi. Una na.
We were a little bit late for the harvest, so we'll just take the half of it. I think half of it is
magugaw.
or otherwise we're gonna feed it to the baboy, to the pigs.
Baby.
Right, you there? Feed it to the pigs. Overripe. This one is overripe. So we already have one good one, and this one is half overripe. So we'll just discard the rest. It's probably about 30 kilos, no? It's probably about 30 kilos each. And this one is still good. Yeah. And that one is for vegetables. Yes, so can you believe it? Last year, about this time, I saw my sister's post on Facebook that she got a harvest of jackfruit. And you know what I did? I bought a can of jackfruit in Walmart. And guess what? That's what I had. A can of jackfruit. But here, that's not gonna happen because I got fresh, newly harvested jackfruits. So let me tell you about the jackfruits that we have. So that's the tree right there. Okay, right there if you can see that. Okay, that is about 6 years old, and we had been enjoying fruits every now and then, and they're big, good quality jackfruit. We have 3 of those. One over here, the one with the sacks, and one over there, the one full of sacks as well. That's because they have plenty of fruits. If I will show you on the other side, so that's the tree, tall tree. Yeah, we have trimmed them a couple of times, and that one as well is a jackfruit over there. I don't know if I can come closer. That one, this one is the jackfruit as well, and the other one over there, the one with the fruits hanging, and this one is another one. So we have a total of 4. Actually, I thought it was just 3, but look at this one, is full of fruits. So we took this one, a very young one, for vegetables, and good with coconut milk and some protein. Put some meat in it, and it's gonna be delicious. I hope I can show you one day. So today we have this harvest. It's 3.5, and those are 3 gigantic giant jackfruit, and we have half because it's overripe. And yeah, jackfruits of the day. That's a lot. So this is the harvest of the day. We got 3 big ones, and one is we took a quarter off because it was a little overripe, but the 3 are all good, right on the ripening stage. We're gonna leave it for a day so we can slice it tomorrow, so that the sap will settle down, and then that way it would be easier to sort each seed. Okay. So these are ready to serve. I already had a lot, and the rest will be for a jam. Jackfruit jam, that is. We got more than enough for us, so we're gonna make it into a jam and give it to family and friends.